Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, everybody? Come on in. Please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. Yeah. Alright. Well, today, this month, this year is going very nicely so far. Got our number up to 3 yesterday. And CYCN, ALMS. Yeah, so I got a few things on the table this morning. CYCN, IMSR, AZI, and ALMS. I don't know. I'm pretty much just looking for the best two, and then the rest of these can fall to the side. But pretty nice looking morning. I feel like it's been kind of dry the last few days, but I think we got some potentials here. Two minutes till the open. The open has definitely gotten a lot less stressful since I stopped worrying about that open play and just letting things shake for a minute. Little opening bell FOMO is gone. We just kind of sit back and wait for things to shake. See what we got. $20 till the bell. Hmm. Alright, there's the bell. Got a nice red 15 on IMSR. Straight through the floor. Hey, what's up, Brian? Good morning. Got my tea right here. Right, for sure. Oh, today is apparently day one of my small account challenge versus Frank day trading. So that should be exciting. Um, it's basically a game of the tortoise versus the hare. Because, you know, Frank is a high roller, thousands of shares and thousand shares positions, like 10,000 shares, 12,000 share positions, all that stuff. And I'm usually rolling like 50 shares, maybe 100 if I can get really tight risk. Um, so it's gonna be interesting. What's up, Three Pony? I Yeah, I think so too, Brian. I think so too. I think this is going to be an awakening for our friend. But you know, who knows? Maybe he really is a great trader when he focuses, and what he's been showing us is just him playing around. Maybe so. But we're gonna find out because we got K Info involved. He signed up his broker to K Info, so everything's gonna be verified. I'm on K Info, everything will be verified. So time to put up or shut up. What's up, Wave Rider? Yeah, I'm in my account. I've been trading in my account since January 1st. Just waiting on him to catch up. But he's starting with more money in his account than me anyway. I want to just do a performance based um challenge, so it doesn't really matter who starts off with what amount of money. It's about how well you perform, percentages and all of that. So um yeah, I mean, we'll see. We will see. I am the struggling day trader, and Frank is the tape whisperer. So I think the expectation is that he should blow me out of the water. But I think Frank will probably blow up within 2 weeks or less. But we'll see. We'll see. I could blow up too. So we shall see. The challenge may be who does less worse than the other. But I think I'm in a good spot right now. Finally getting myself to follow my rules, as you can see by this number here. Hopefully we can keep that rolling. I got AZI up over here. Looks pretty decent. Looks pretty decent. Yo, what up, BLT? Green again today? That's what's up, man. What'd you trade? Did you take that already, Dirk? I want to get that first little dip, but I scared. I scared. Nice. EVTV, huh? Yo, what up, Bobby? Good morning. Hey, that's what's up, man. What up, Focus? What'd you trade, bro? AZI? Yeah, AZI is stretching its legs quite nicely. Yeah. Just got in? Straight like that, huh? That's what's up. %, no greed. Ooh wee. Little greed don't hurt. Yep. Precisely. Did IMSR halt? No, no, it's just dying. Is it dying? CYCN is looking really strong, ain't it? EVTV. Yeah, just I don't know, man. I think I'm good on the below a dollar joints. I had some nice trades on some sub-dollar stocks last year, but I don't know. He said he just got in. You know how the numbers be off a little bit. Da says tomato. Trading View says tomato. That's what he said. Look at this guy over here. Want to be starting something. Man. Want to be starting something. Oh, you took that too, Trey? You still in it or you out? You gotta be out. Ain't no way you still in it. Nice. Mm-hmm. One to one just for fun. Just for entertainment. Just for entertainment purposes only. To say that the only trade you took seriously is the one that you're green on, and all your red ones were just entertainment, like, come on, dog. Come on, dog. Don't insult us like that. Don't spit in our faces like that. Come on, fam. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, he finally did actually in the Discord. He was like, yeah, they were just bad trades. I'm like, whoa, whoa. Is that some accountability? Some ownership? Could it be? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna play these levels more aggressively eventually. No way. Is he up? Like, technically, if this is a low, this is a higher low. Like, if you imagine what it did on the one and then to break that high, I can see it, especially closing above the line, too. It's some pretty solid price action. I bet, bro. Ah, damn. Ah, damn. Broken clock trading. BCT. Yeah, I don't know. I feel a way about them shorties, them little guys, the little guys. Totally missed IMSR, bro. It's okay. I didn't miss it. It just didn't set up for me on the five, and that's okay. What up, knives? I'm getting hot. I don't know. I'm still kind of narrowing it. It's looking like IMSR and CYCN. I do have an eyeball on AZI though, and possibly ALMS. Dog, I wish I got AMSR though off of 848, bro. Straight to the yellow lines. Hmm. got you, Trey. Good looking out, sir. Chop City right here. Chop, chop. I saw Elab this morning. Disaster. Whoa. Looks slapped on the hourly though. $19.11, $19.03. One thing I didn't want to do though is put lower time frames on than the 5. Probably would have got me an IMSR, but also gets me in a lot of other trouble. Bruh. Getting so much lower, but I feel like I want to wait for a break. It keeps coming back down to 1930.
Order filled.
All right, what we talking about? The Venezuela situation. I don't even know what to make of these things. To me, everything that's in the news is like fake. Like, not that they didn't really kidnap him, but the reasons that they're telling us that things are happening are not real. Like, it's a show. It's a stage to make things happen. You know, to get us to believe things, to move markets and things like that. So, um, yeah, I'm really not that read into it, but Trump can run 2 countries at once. Um, Yeah, I mean, it could be for oil. It could be just regime change so that you get one more country locked into the one world economy situation. Maybe he didn't want to bow down, and they had to get him on up out of there. Who knows? Yeah, mainstream media is like it's the place to find out what they want you to believe, and then you kind of can dig in from there and try to see if you can find out what's really happening. But no shots fired, right? Yeah, it's all a game, bro. It's all a game. I really was being super scary getting into this. Almost wanted to wait for the break of the high, even though I like to get in at the close, but I just a little feeling a little scary. Wanted to see a little more, and seemed to be holding 1930, although it's already broken it since I've gotten in. But um, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just could have gotten in a little lower. I could have gotten in around 1920s, uh, but it's okay. The expectation of this move will make that fine if it actually goes. Yeah. Dang, that's a winner right there.
Order filled.
All right. Hmm. Got that killer right there. So that needs a reset. What that mean, Dirk? My stop's too tight. Oh, it already hit. Oh, I already know. I already know. I'm assuming he's gonna be real touchy with the buttons to try to show some perfection, show the perfection he's been professing. Yeah, this is kind of out of my wheelhouse, honestly, messing with ALMS. Let that one go. I do want to see ISMR back down. Yeah, I just took it off. I should have stood on business with that line you gave me, Trey, instead of throwing my own up there. Based on the intraday stuff. I think AZI and IMSR might be doing something here. I like this hammer candle here on IMSR. Hmm. Yeah, that's what I missed. IBIO. My heart. Yeah, AZI and IMSR look like we might have something here in the next 5 to 10 for me. I thought 3 was a nice on this. That lower low though. Yeah, the next pullback on AZI might be that one. I've been through a line on CYCN. What time is this trade? 9:50. No, no. It likes to come back and test the line though. This is where that wick, and then break of high comes in. honestly could have taken this. I just didn't want to take it after this, though. Pattern wasn't bad except for that. Oh. AZI looking pretty fire. I just want to see what that next red candle gonna look like. Yeah, I just want to see the next red 5 on AZI and ISMR. ISMR ready from the 15, though, honestly. To be honest. It's pretty far. Yeah, I mean, really just buy it right now. That damn 15 be talking, bro. What's IBIO trading at these days? 262. Wow. It was 30 cents when it made my dreams come true. Hope that don't mean the next COVID's on its way. Yeah, it should have put my stop lower there. It still would have got stopped though. Yeah, I did all right. CYCN coming all the way back in. Is that the one that Frank swung? Damn, this one is really nice. Man, this thing ain't gonna give me another low after this. It's about to go. Yeah. That's it. I don't like that though. Man, wait. Morning, OG. CYCN touching lower day. Oh yeah.
Order filled.
Damn, boy. I wanted 307. Nice, nice. Yeah, buddy. Come on, we gotta get past 15. 332. Okay. You know, when I was taking this ALMS trade, I was looking how there was no green bars. And I was really just jumping in there after a clear control from the sellers, you know. Just some hindsight thinking. Like ideally, I want to get in because I see the buyers present and buying, not assuming that they're going to just come in because I want to trade, you know. I just could not make my way into ISMR on the 5. Just couldn't make my way in there. Unfilled twice. Dang, that's the worst. Yeah. I mean, I think it's a little of both. You learn from hindsight. $330. Yeah, Dirk got 332 on my head from opening price, but I got 40 in my head from high of day. Uh, 330s is looking kind of, yeah, 336-ish. There's definitely some friction up in the 30s. Yep, stop is 299. There we go. What was that? 324 right there. It's back under 20 though. Broke these highs. That's cool. Nice volume coming in. I think we're rolling. That trend line is so clutch, bro. What up, Don? Back over 20 just for a hot second. Mm. Yo, biz cutter. They bought right through the ass. All that stuff they had sitting there just got chewed. Yeah, buddy. They buying it. They buying it. Come on with it. Big orders. Mm. Mm. Yeah, my entries are hard to come by though, Dirk. So when I get a good one, I gotta let that thing cook. $9? Oh, he's trading a real small account, huh? I thought he was one. He said one trade per day, 2 to 3 max, right? Ain't that what he said? Ooh. Oh, he's down $9. Oh, he red. 4,000 trades so far. Come on, AZI. We putting on for the struggling day trader crew, man. We gotta hold it down. I'm up. $23. Can we get 24? Yes. There's one R. Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn it.
Order filled.
Damn it. What? Oh, go back up, please. I'm putting my stop in right there. Oh
Order
my
filled.
God. Oh, put the stop back. Put the stop back. Oh. Let's go. Hold on. We already realized 2R. Put that stop back down here. Let's go. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Oh, that's awesome. The squeeze is in. Bruh. Bruh, what do I do? What do I do? I know, bro. I want my half R though. So we just gonna have to sit right there. Fam. What are we looking at here? I'm gonna go 34. I want my half a R though.
Order filled.
All right. I got my 3. Oh man. That's so cool. I know y'all want to have a hard exit, but I would never have gotten a sell up here if I did that. You know? No, it looks terrible. This don't look too bad. Yeah, it does. What was the gain? 3R. I'm on $2 risk though until I get up to 15R. So that was 3 times $6. $6. Thanks, Knives. It's 10:30. Yep. One level at a time. I can do a bracket order, but it would have to be the entire position. I can't do a partial. At least I don't think I can do a partial bracket order. I don't know. Maybe it's possible. I've wanted to. I want to do like a 3/4 bracket order where stop loss sells the whole position and the limit order takes 3/4 out. I'm working on it, BLT. I'm doing the tier system. So when I get to 15R, I'm gonna double. So when I get to 15R, I'll go up to $5. And then when I get to 15R again, I'll go up to 10. And then 15R, 20, 40, 80, 160. And we just because just jumping in here with high risk when I ain't really shown that I got it like that. This just doesn't make any sense. We might get something over here on 332 to be supported at this point. Yeah, I started to keep my joint below there, but yeah, I'll be surprised if I get another entry on this. It'd have to come back down to 11, 311-ish. I hope this isn't a cycle that I have to have one bad trade first, and then I get a good trade every day. This is solid on the 15. This is super solid. But I'll wait. Understand was a machine at the close of the half hour. No, I didn't. It sure did the thing though, boy. Line to line. I like that, man. That was sweet. That's what you dream happening with every trade you take. Every trade you take, you want the squeeze. What's up, Pharaoh? I thought about you the other day, man, wondering if you've been hanging around or if you gave up on your boy yet. That's what's up, bro. Or death. Yeah, I'm cool, man. What is there left to even hypothesize a position about? Yeah, that's it, bro. Just one thing, man. I'm really regretting this trade. I'm really regretting this trade. There was a reason to not take it. Funny thing is, if I would have done the risk as tight as I was thinking, I might have been able to get a little profit. But yeah, I gotta let that one go. I gotta let this one go next time. Like not a single green candle, no green volume. Like it's not the right time. No way, Dirk. This is gonna be crazy if I beat Frank using $2 risk, yo. It won't be the first day. It won't be the first day. I beat him last week using $2 risk. It's like it's human behavior. It's kind of like I'm sure a lot of you guys when back in May, or I guess this would be April, when I was like, I have this job opportunity, but I just want to give it one more shot to see if I can do it. And I'm sure some of you experienced people were like, bro, it don't work like that. Like you're not gonna just flip the switch and be this guy you've been trying to be. Even though the switch did last like 3 weeks. But it just don't work like that. Like you just don't all of a sudden generally become another person. And if you're constantly chasing highs and then holding the bag, and then you're just gonna decide to stop doing it one day. Yeah, I know, Dirk. Why have I given up? I'm not giving up. I'm just waiting for the next move. It I'm probably done, bro. Probably done. Although CYCN is looking kind of interesting down here off that $2 level. Wish this had a little less volume, but now it's kind of the trigger right there. But we right up against the trend line too. Yeah. If this had a little less volume, I'd be a little excited, but this is the trigger. But it just looks buried under sell volume. I'm cool. Oh, that's nice right there. Still buried under sell volume though. I could definitely see it going. I mean, it's clearly holding itself up. That might be it right there. All I needed. That little low. Nice volume on this candle. I could take that right there, bro. I could hella take that. All right. We moving, baby. We moving, baby. What? What is that? 2R up on this thing? Was it a clean 2? Or is it 2.1 or something? Let me check it again. What does it say? 2.01. Hey, I'm gonna put that 0.01 there for sure. So this is 3.49, baby. 27 down. Oh man, what an embarrassment. Well, that'll be tragic if I win using $2 risk though. That would be crazy. My man's got 20,000 subscribers. Let's check him out real quick. Minus 27 bucks. Dang, bro, you was right. The broken clock got plus 2 cents on IBIO. 3. Dang, I made more money than him on AZI. Oh man. That's okay though. Let's stay humble. Let's stay humble. This is just day 1 of the small account challenge. What'd he say? Look at this. Look at this. Right here on the screen. Max 3 tickers to be traded. This the stupid stuff I be doing. 1, one, two, three, four, five, six tickers traded. Nah, for sure. For sure. And that's why, like, he wanted to do a money competition and everything. He is low unit spot. Yeah, you think so? Yeah, I mean, all it is for me, everything for me is just rolling my system. He's just kind of some noise happening on the side. Like if I was really trying to compete with Frank, I would probably be doing $10 risk right now, or maybe even more. But I really think that I can just continue doing what I'm doing and focusing on my rules, and we will prevail. So just a little friendly competition to spice it up a little bit. But yeah, my goals are clear. Um, 1 to 2 trades a day. Stick to the rules. Using my tier system. Bro, I can't believe this number's a 4 right now. Crazy. Yeah, we're definitely here to overcome ourselves. But that's kind of the entertainment of watching Frank, because he has not overcome himself. It's like when I really thought I got a hold of the 5 minute chart and I was like, bro, I got it. It's up. Game over. And the read is good on the 5, but without having the patience to wait for the read, like you're going nowhere. Yeah, I'm just doing what I'm doing, Dirk. That's why when Frank came and was like, I only got $300 in my account right now. And Frank was like, I can't go that low in my account. 5 is the lowest. He's like, is that okay? Like, yeah, bro, it's fine. Whatever amount of money you want to put in your account is fine. Because I'm just doing this. I'm doing these rules right here. And my main goal is to get this number to 20 by the end of the month. Which feels really possible right now. Like all the things that were pulling me in the different directions before, I don't really feel it now. Like I've it's like the synapses in my mind have finally connected the bad behavior to failure, and have finally connected the good behavior to success. Like it's like they were switched before. And I thought doing these bad things was going to make me successful, and doing the good things was going to keep me away from getting the money. Let's give it the month. What you mean? Oh gosh. What you mean, Trey? The boom and the bust? Yeah, no doubt. I have to, bro. I have to. Yeah. No, we're not celebrating. Well, we're celebrating a little bit. I'm super happy to be up to $4. To 400. Yeah. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Hmm. Man, learn from Livermore. It's just like Monday morning, I really was anxious because I'm still super unsure about the guy who's going to sit down in my desk in the morning. But today, this morning, I felt a little more positive. Like you can follow your rules, bro. Like you can literally sit down and just be patient and follow your rules. Like you can do it. And that's why I'm super happy today. Is because I'm seeing that. Like there's this trader in me that wants to try everything. Like even though I'm done with being in the experimental phase, I really need to, I want to get to the bag and be a professional. There's still like this kid in me that wants to, what will keep me from taking the ALMS trade. Just looking, I want to get in after the buyers start buying. Like the idea is that I see the big buying volume and then wait for the pullback and then evaluate the trade based on the pullback. Yo, what up, Pond? I'm happy, bro. I appreciate it, man. And even though it was doing the dance at the support line, it still wasn't there's still no buyers yet. Like there's no reason. At this point in the day, there's no reason to assume that some buyers are coming. Killing my memory. Um, well, each window pops up like that. So we got one of these, one of these, one of these, this, and then 6 charts over here. Yeah, I got 6 charts to my left. And yeah, all these windows open up like that. But like I need to see the green volume, I need to see some buying volume. So this was just like we got the low set here. Nice wick through the support level that I presume to be a support level. And then this guy, and then we get the higher low peekaboo right here. And I mean I timed with some buyers, but this was just not the shift. The shift would be waiting for another green candle to come in after this one, even more volume, and see, okay, the buyers have stepped in, and now I want to wait to see what the pullback looks like. But they never came in. And so this was a little too much ahead of the game, getting in ahead of the game. The opening price. The only thing is that I'm taking reversals, and I'm taking reversals too. So a lot of my trades happen way below the opening price. Yeah, I got to pay attention to the volume. One of the biggest parts of my read is the volume, but I just kind of forget sometimes. Sometimes I let the chart, the candlesticks override the volume and I just don't even pay attention, but they're both equally important to me. No, it was definitely a higher low. This was definitely a higher low. It made a low from this candle. It's definitely a higher low. And it's at the line. Like that part of it was well executed. It was just looking at all the other factors um, that wasn't done properly. Yeah, quality's trash. That's what I mean. There's no green like at all. Like there's no reason before this candle to assume that buyers are gonna buy this back up to pre-market high. So yeah, that was my bad. And I could have totally not drawn that in there too. Look how helpful that would have been. Hmm. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So, yeah, man. Up 2R. Made back my L. That's super nice. I'm very happy about that. Yesterday when I had a win, I only made back 1R. Or no, I didn't. It was like point 0.1. It ended up being break even. All right, so we are getting closer and closer to our 15 number. Yeah, it definitely wasn't anything else to trade either. Everything just kind of fell out. Good move. Screenshot worthy. Yo. That one out of there. Yo. Straight out the trend line, bro. I could have got them. I literally was trying to get it at the break of this, the close of this candle. But that joint shot up quick. Filled me like 4 cents higher than I was wanting to get in. But it didn't matter because that joker ran. Yeah, this is clean. This is clean. And we got buyers. We got buyers, and I can measure the pullback volume against the buying volume, right? Pullback volume way less. So I can actually gauge the buyers. But if I don't have the buying volume and then the pullback volume, I've got nothing to really take a trade off of. AZI kind of looking snackish right now though. Ah, for real, HH? That's crazy. Still got 4 minutes left. Nah, I'm hella good. I'm hella good. Matter of fact, I'm about to get out of here and do my review video and go on about the day, man. Man. Well, appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me. Today was a great success, and I'm going to do my review, go over how we can stay out of this trade in the future, and how we can be more patient and just wait for this bad boy. Beautiful. Yo. All right, y'all, hit that like button for me. Please subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. I will check y'all out later. Peace. Don't leave. Revenge trade? Nah, fam. I'm out.